Hello and welcome to another update video about Terra Luna. By the way, before we start with the Terra Luna update, let me know about the audio quality. I had in my previous Bitcoin video, I had one of the viewers said the audio quality is horrendous. Maybe it's a problem with my ears, but I just can't replicate it. I think it's okay. But yeah, let me know if the audio quality is bad and if I need a new microphone, but I actually don't think it's too bad. Let me know, please, in the comments what you think. Yeah, looking here at Terra Luna, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It is moving again back closer to the target area. From my point of view, as I said before, that the move up here was not a sustainable uptrend. It still has a chance to move higher here, of course, in a potential wave C. Maybe this was already the wave C. Ideally, it moves a little bit higher. It doesn't necessarily have to. Yeah, it can move a little bit higher here to complete that wave B, but maybe that wave B is already finished. Let's go to the 8-hour chart if we see anything, or maybe here better the 4-hour chart. Because normally what you do, obviously let me just adjust it properly here. Normally when we completed here that wave 1, hit the target area, yeah, very, very closely. We then came down, told you here that we have actually to get a little bit of an uptrend in, a correction of the downtrend, because this came down quite impulsively. A wave A is compulsive, is impulsive. Yeah, so an impulsive wave A, what you then normally need is a corrective wave B, and then you need typically another impulsive wave C. So it could be that this was already the completion of the wave B. Yeah, what it definitely wasn't is a sustainable breakout to the upside. So therefore, as I said, a wave B is always very difficult to detect, very difficult to trade, can be unpredictable. That could already be the wave B, or have been the wave B, maybe just this year. As I said back then, it already hit the 50% Fibonacci retracement. This could have been it for the wave B. It can move higher. Certainly, ideal targets are a little bit higher for a wave B, but the 50% is fine for a wave B. And what we could see here potentially is already, A, B, C. That in this C wave, again, it is a 5-wave move. Yeah, every wave C normally contains 5 waves. So again, here, this could already be the wave 1, 2. We could now be in that 3rd wave here, 4th wave, 5th wave. If this was already the wave 2, let's take a look if that makes sense from the Fibonacci retracement levels. Yeah, Fibonacci retracement. We can see it came down to it came up actually to the 78.6% level, an ideal target for a wave 2. Yeah, and if this was a wave 2, where does the wave 3 now need to go? So wave 1, 2, adjusted slightly here. So in that wave 3, we should now go down to at least $77. Yeah, that would make sense because the $77 level is also here previous support, as you can see here, of that wave A. So it makes sense that that wave 3 could bounce off here. We then make a wave 4, and in a wave 5 we come down. As I said before, this for me in the target area here would be an ideal target. Yeah, after you came up in that wave, in this larger wave 1, you're coming down in this larger wave 2. Here that price will have a chance to turn around in a wave 3. Everybody who wants to be on the safe side, because nobody is telling me or telling you that the price couldn't just go through this level here. As I said before, we have a chance to stay in this scenario all the way up to down to $43. If you break $43, we have to expect much lower prices. Then we talk about a $30 to $20 Terra Luna. However, it has a chance to stay in this area, but everybody who wants to be on the safe side should wait until the price completes the wave 2 correction, then moves up in a crystal clear 5-wave move in a wave 1. So the next wave, obviously here, larger wave 1, larger wave 2. The next wave should be a larger wave 3, containing again of 5 waves. This first 5-wave move here would only be it might be a bit complex now, would only be the first wave of the 3rd wave. What you then get is a corrective wave, a second wave of the third wave. and then this would be an entry point. Yeah, because then we can be on the more certain that we are already starting that wave 3, because you already completed the first wave of the wave 3, you completed the second wave of the wave 3. This typically is an attractive entry point, and then the wave 3 of the wave 3 will normally be the attractive phase. Yeah, then you get a wave 4 and the wave 5, and that completes this wave 3. Sorry if it is a bit too complex. Unfortunately, TA can be a bit complex. I always try to explain it as simply as possible, but really, so in simple terms, what you want to complete that corrective wave here, the higher degree wave 2. You want to start the wave 3, and in the wave 3, in the first wave after the completion of the second wave, this is when we can be more certain that the correction is over, because yes, it is all looking like we're going to get into the target range, doing a very nice 3-wave move down, ABC, but nobody's telling me, the crystal ball isn't there, unfortunately. It's not telling me that we will definitely hold this area. Yeah, I hope we will, and it would be great, it would be textbook-like, and from here we could really start, and the target for the next wave 3 would be then at least $180. That'd be amazing, but yeah, we need to be understanding that currently, in the current market conditions, it's very difficult. It's a very difficult market at the moment, so we want to be extra vigilant. And again, there are different strategies, from dollar cost averaging in over to trading, long-term investing, whatever, and only you know what is right for you. I can only tell you what is what I see here in the charts. And yeah, as expected, the price is coming down further. There was a potential here for the price, of course, to move higher, but it would have had to break above $98. Didn't do it. So yeah, it's coming down now. Still a chance, obviously, but to go higher now, the price now needs to move above this resistance zone here, which is between $88 and $90. So first here through this, and then above $98. Yeah, if it doesn't do that, there will not be a further price increase, because these are two important resistance zones. We're now below both of them, and we're heading to the next support at 77 US dollars. So it could really be that we have started this last section, this C wave of the second wave, that will take us into the target area that we defined already back end of March. All right, that's my view here about Terra Luna. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership, where you can get access to the Telegram live chat, Discord server, my buy and sell orders, and a weekly live stream. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.